Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable two-factor authentication for account security in IQ option. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the IQ option application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the IQ option homepage, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Underneath Settings, tap on Security. Now, you'll end up in this Privacy and Security page where you'll need to tap Two-Step Authentication. On the next page, toggle on the button right next to Email. You can also turn on the Push Notification option if you want to enable push notification with a code sent to the mobile app. I'm just going to enable the email option over here at the top. And now go to the email inbox to enter the security code that you receive. You'll receive an email from IQ option, click on it and copy the 6-digit code inside it. Get back to the IQ option app and paste in the code and click confirm. So after you do that, you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication on IQ option. Your account is now protected with an extra layer of security, making it much harder for anyone else to break in. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.